Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lesson Reach for the Top, Part 1, Santosh Yadav. Dear children, I hope all of you could read the text up to page number 101. There we stopped. So let us make an immediate recapitulation of what we discussed on the first session. So we started with the birth of Santosh Yadav. She was born as the sixth child in the family, okay, with the 5 brothers. Okay, she was born in a small village of Joniavas of Rewari district in Haryana, and she had a style of her own. Okay, from the very beginning, she was quite determined that if she chose a correct and rational path, the others around her had to change, not her. That is what her dialogue. Okay, so she preferred wearing shorts. We have come to know that. And as per the prevailing custom in the society, a girl child would be sent to a local village school, and she did not oppose that time. But when she reached the age of 16, the parents wanted her to get herself married off. Okay, that she denied, and for her, education was the first preference and marriage was secondary. And finally, she got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi, and even parents refused to pay for the fees, but she politely informed them that she would manage money by working part-time to pay for her school fees. So the rich parents finally agreed to pay for her education. After getting school education, she went to Jaipur for her college education. She was in a hostel called Kasturba, and through the Kasturba hostel she could see Aravali hills, and she could also see some villages vanishing, disappearing. So one day she wanted to check it out herself. So what did she do? She just went there and she could find a few mountaineers, and she asked whether she could join them. Then they answered in the affirmative. And here we stopped. Now we will start with the remaining part of the text. Dear children, take page number 101, paragraph 6. Yes. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Okay, you can underline the name of the institute where she studied mountaineering, means climbing the mountain. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. Actually, her study would be over in the month of April, but it extended up to 19th of May. And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st. So there was no gap for her to go back to her home to take permission from her father. So she decided to join herself directly. Okay, so later on she had to write a letter of apology. Apology means regret to her father, without whose permission she had got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi. So thereafter Santosh went on an expedition journey with an intention. Every year her climbing skills matured, means perfected rapidly, quickly. Also she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. So generally when you go out in such a situation, you may catch a cold or fever, but she has got a strong physical endurance, and she has no problem with cold or altitude, means the height from the sea level, and equipped, prepared with an iron will and physical endurance, amazing mental toughness. So dear children, these are her qualities. What are her qualities? Iron will means strong determination power, physical endurance, and mental toughness. All of you learn, because you will have to compare Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Okay, for that purpose you have to learn this. She proved herself repeatedly. The culmination, the highest point of her hard work and sincerity came in the year 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. So how many years it took for her to reach the culmination? 4 years. Which year it happened? 1992. At barely 20 years, that also you underline, at what age she became famous? 20 years. And what age Maria Sharapova became famous? That also you have to compare later on. So at the age of 20 years, she scaled Mount Everest and becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. Okay. Feat means any such risky activity is called feat. If her climb, for example, in circus we call the feat. Okay. If her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the heart of fellow climbers. So what impressed the fellow climbers and seniors? Her concern for others. Okay, her climbing skills, her physical fitness, her mental strength, all these things attracted everybody. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Col, but she was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. Though she cared a climber, he died. Okay. However, she managed to save another climber. Who is that? Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate, okay, or destiny had she not shared her oxygen with him. So how did she help that man? By sharing her oxygen. So within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. So after climbing her first attempt with Mount Everest, in a span of 12 years, she got another second chance with Indo-Nepalese woman, and she scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place, unparalleled, unique, a special place in the annals. What is annals? History of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievement, the Indian government bestowed upon her, conferred upon her the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. So what did India government do when she could climb to the Mount Everest 2 times? Indian government bestowed her the highest award, that is Padma Shri. Okay. Describing her feeling when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. What is the enormity? Something great or big, a very big moment. What is the very big moment for her? Reaching the top of the mountain. Okay, to sink in, to means to understand. So it's very difficult for her to understand the importance of that. Then I unfurled, means then she unfurled the Indian tricolor, that national flag, and held it aloft high on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. What is indescribable? That cannot be described. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. So she felt herself an Indian there. Okay, that is her feeling. So actually feeling could not be described. So also a fervent means strong environmentalist, one who loves environment. Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage waste from the Himalayas. So how did she prove herself a fervent environmentalist? By bringing down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. So dear children, that is the end of the lesson. All of you read it well, make a thorough reading as well as a silent reading, and write down the important questions and answers and also the vocabulary. So before we conclude for the day, let us make an immediate review of what we have discussed today. Today we started with her interest in mountaineering and how she got enrolled in that college. Which is that college? Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. And Actually, she could not take permission from her father because there was no time gap between her college days and joining the new Institute of Mountaineering. So she wrote an apology letter to her father, without whose permission she had to join. So thereafter, Santosh never looked back. Her expedition continued, and within 4 years' time, she became perfect, and she climbed the Mount Everest and set a record for herself as the youngest woman in the world to achieve that feat. Okay, so what are her qualities? Iron will, physical endurance, amazing mental toughness, and for this her seniors admired her, and also she was concerned about other fellow climbers. One day she was giving special care to a climber who was dying at the south col, but she could not save him. But on another occasion she saved another climber, that is Mohan Singh, who was also running short of oxygen, and she shared her oxygen. So in 12 months time, once again Santosh Yadav happened to climb Mount Everest along with the Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition team. So she set a record of climbing the Mount Everest twice, and that has become a history of India. So the government has bestowed upon her the nation's top honor, that is Padma Shri. And when she was on the top of the mountain, she felt as if she was on the top of the world, and the enormity of the moment that she could not understand easily. So she unfurled she hoisted the Indian tricolor aloft on the roof of the world, and the feeling was indescribable for her. Okay, and it was a spiritual moment for her, and it was something that she felt that she was a proud Indian, and she also proved that she was a fervent environmentalist. By bringing down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Okay children, thank you very much for listening to my class, and do well. Have a nice day ahead.